Convert any video to cartoon with one AI tool. And no skills. Remember that childhood dream? The one where you'd wave a magic wand and transform your boring home videos into a vibrant, wobbly, gloriously absurd cartoon? Where your cat's disdainful stare became a Looney Tunes masterpiece, and your disastrous attempt at parallel parking turned into a slapstick symphony worthy of Buster Keaton. For decades, achieving this meant either spending years mastering complex animation software, mortgaging your house to hire a studio, or possessing actual wizardry genes. Those days? Gone. Buried under an avalanche of artificial intelligence, so accessible, so stupidly simple, that it feels like cheating. Welcome to the era where converting any video into a cartoon requires one tool and absolutely zero skills. Seriously, put down the drawing tablet. Step away from the 300-hour online course. Your inner animator is about to be unleashed, and it's wearing sweatpants. The Great Cartoon Barrier, a saga of tears, triangles, and technical doom. Let's be brutally honest about the before times. Trying to cartoonify video pre-AI was like trying to build a Ferrari with a spoon and some chewing gum. Your options were bleak. 1. The software gauntlet. Adobe After Effects, Blender, Tuned Boom Harmony. Just uttering these names induced cold sweats. You'd spend weeks wrestling with keyframes, vector paths, rotoscoping nightmares, tracing every frame by hand, pure masochism, and render times measured in geological epochs. The learning curve wasn't a curve. It was a vertical cliff face greased with butter. The result? After months of toil, your 10-second clip of your dog chasing its tail might vaguely resemble a stick figure having a seizure. Soul-crushing. 2. The wallet assassin. Hiring an animator? Fantastic if you discovered a diamond mine in your backyard. Professional animation costs more per second than caviar shower gel. Explaining your vision. I want my grandma's knitting to look like a Hayao Miyazaki forest spirit, but like grumpier, often led to bewildered stares and invoices that required smelling salts. 3. The cheap filter fiasco. The lure of the cartoon filter in basic video apps. Click, and suddenly your high-definition vacation footage looks like it was smeared with neon Vaseline, edges vibrating like a tuning fork, and your face rendered as a Picasso-esque nightmare. Less Saturday morning cartoons. More digital train wreck. Hard pass. The barrier wasn't just technical, it was existential. The sheer, overwhelming effort required crushed the simple, joyful impulse of wanting to see your world in wobbly lines and impossible physics. The dream remained locked away, accessible only to the initiated, the funded, or the clinically persistent. Enter the AI Pixie, your cartoon fairy godmother, who doesn't judge your footage. Then, like a deus ex machina in a particularly cheesy sci-fi flick, AI video tools exploded onto the scene. And among their most magical, instantly gratifying powers, one-click cartoon conversion. It's not quite magic, it's math, really clever math, but the effect is indistinguishable. Here's the mind-blowing, skill-free process. 1. Find your magic wand. Tools like Pika Labs, Runway ML Gen 2, Kber, Synthesia for avatar-based stuff, or even specific filters within CapCut or Canva now offer dedicated cartoon, anime, or illustration video styles. These are the platforms doing the heavy lifting. 2. Feed the beast. Upload your video. That's it. It could be a 60-second clip of your toddler attempting interpretive dance. 2. Your security cam. Footage of a raccoon stealing your barbecue ribs. 3. That painfully awkward wedding speech you gave. For your cat judging you, always prime cartoon material. 5. Literally anything captured on video. 3. Whisper your desire. Optional, but fun. Some tools let you add a text prompt for style guidance. Want 90s Saturday morning cartoon. Studio Ghibli watercolor dream. Dark graphic novel noir. Hyperkinetic rubber hose madness. Type a few words. No technical jargon needed. Think vibes, not vectors. 4. Click the damn button. Find the button that says animate, generate, Cartoonify, or something equally promising. Click it. This is the peak of your required technical skill. Do not overthink it. Channel your inner toddler with a big red button. 5. Wait for the miracle. Briefly, cloud computers, hopped up on digital espresso, dissect your video frame by frame. They analyze motion, shapes, textures, and lighting. Then, using vast neural networks trained on millions of images and animation styles, they reimagine every single pixel in the chosen cartoon aesthetic. This takes seconds or minutes, not months. Go make a cup of tea, or just stare in anticipation. We don't judge. 6. Behold, your cartoon masterpiece. Download your transform video. Witness your mundane reality reborn as kinetic art. Laugh at how the AI interpreted your Uncle Bob's mustache as a sentient caterpillar. Marvel at the impossible physics now governing your coffee spill. You made a cartoon. Why this isn't just cool, it's revolutionary and hilarious. The implications are staggering and often side-splitting. Democratization of animation. The gates are blown wide open. Kids, grandparents, accountants, plumbers, anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can now be an animator. The creative power shift is seismic. Instant gratification and experimentation. Got a weird idea at 2 a.m.? Cartoonify it in 5 minutes. Try different styles back to back. Does your cat look better as a Disney prince or a gritty cyberpunk mercenary? Only one way to find out. The speed unlocks pure, unadulterated creative play. Comedy goldmine. AI doesn't just convert, it interprets. And AI interpretation can be gloriously, unintentionally hilarious. Watch as a flickering candle becomes a psychedelic light show. 2. A gentle breeze turns your hair into writhing Medusa snakes. 3. Your simple smile gets rendered as a terrifying Joker-esque grin. 4. Background objects develop sentience and start doing the cha-cha. The unpredictable quirks of AI style transfer are a constant source of surprise and laughter. It's not always perfect animation in the traditional sense, but it's often wildly entertaining. New storytelling tools. Imagine explaining a complex idea with a cartoon version of yourself. Visualize a historical event in a dramatic graphic novel style. Turn a product demo into a playful anime sequence. The potential for engaging communication is huge. Rescuing terrible footage. Is your video shaky, poorly lit, or featuring questionable fashion choices from 2004? Cartoonification is the ultimate filter. Bad lighting becomes moody atmosphere. Grainy footage becomes retro charm. Awkwardness becomes intentional comedy. It's the ultimate makeover. Beyond the click, embracing the wobbly, wonderful imperfection. This isn't Pixar-level CGI. That's not the point. The charm often lies in the AI's unique aesthetic fingerprint. The wobble. Lines might breathe and shift. Movements can have a delightful, bouncy elasticity. It feels alive in a way hyper-smooth 3D often doesn't. Texture magic. Watch as real-world textures, brick, fabric, skin, get translated into strokes, cross-hatching, watercolor bleeds, or flat graphic colors. It's pure visual alchemy. Unexpected emphasis. The AI might decide your flapping shoelace is the star of the show, rendering it with dazzling detail, while simplifying the background into glorious abstraction. It offers a fresh perspective. Style fusion. You might ask for anime and get something that's 30% anime, 40% European comic, and 30% pure AI weirdness. It's a new kind of art. Getting started. Your no-skills adventure awaits. Seriously, do it now. Convinced? Here's your absolutely zero skill required roadmap. 1. Pick your potion. Start with a free or freemium tool. Pika Labs, accessible via Discord, is incredibly powerful and popular for this. Runway ML offers free credits to try Gen 2. Caber has a straightforward interface. CapCut has surprisingly fun cartoon filters. Experiment. 2. Choose your victim. Air, footage, dig out a short 10 to 30 second video from your phone. Something simple with clear action or expression works great initially. Your pet is an ideal test subject. 3. Upload and select style. Follow the tool's simple upload process. Choose a cartoon/anime/illustration style from the presets. If there's a prompt box, type something simple like vibrant cartoon or watercolor animation. 4. Click Generate, the sacred act. Perform it with confidence. 5. Giggle, gape, and share. Watch your creation. Laugh at the absurdity. Marvel at the ease. Share it immediately to blow your friends' minds. Watch their jaws drop when you say, "Yeah, I just made that cartoon in like 2 minutes." The future is squiggly, a renaissance of silly. This is just the beginning. AI cartoon tools are evolving at ludicrous speed. Expect more styles, finer control, still simple, better consistency, and even integration into everyday apps. The barrier between capturing reality and reimagining it as moving art has dissolved. So embrace the chaos. Unleash your inner Tex Avery or Rebecca Sugar without the years of toil. Transform your commute into a noir adventure. Turn your cooking fails into culinary cartoons. Make your cat the star of its own anime. The power is literally at your fingertips. One upload, one click, zero skills required. The age of effortless animation is here, and it's gloriously, unapologetically, hilariously accessible. Your childhood dream wasn't silly. It was just ahead of its time. Now go forth and cartoonify everything. The world needs your wobbly, AI-powered vision. Just maybe avoid cartoonifying that video of you attempting karaoke. Some realities are best left unanimated. Probably. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.